This is what we came for. The start of something new is on the rise. You'll see just what we're made of. Watch the revolution come alive. This is our world. This is our time. Can't stop us now. We have arrived. We have arrived. It's all here and right now. Get ready, 'cause the future's on its way. We're about to take it over. So are you ready? Are you ready? This is our world. This is our time. Can't stop us now. We have arrived. 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 We can't stop us now. We have arrived. We can't stop us now. We have arrived. 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 I was taken by the moon, looking down on everything I never knew. I'm awakened by the truth that only for a moment I'm alive with you. If you never come around, how we ever gonna be? If you're always on the ground, then you're never gonna see what falling feels like. If you never come around, how we ever gonna be? If you're always on the ground, then you're never gonna see what falling feels like. Falling feels. Falling feels like. If you never come around, how we ever gonna be? If you're always on the ground and you're never gonna see what falling feels like. If you never come around, how we ever gonna be? If you're always on the ground and you're never gonna see what falling feels like. Falling feels like.
Well, got the pan halves cut off. This whole beast. Everything was rusted. The spring plates and the torsion bars are rusted together. So the hope is that a soak in pneumonia bath will clean this up. And he broke a bolt in there. Had to cut this one because that one's stuck. So hopefully that's gets remedied. And then we have a nice little friend living in here. We haven't met him yet. He isn't getting mail. Hopefully after an ammonia bath and he get a little fried, he can show us his suntan. So we didn't have any trans bolts there. This is a early, really making noise. This is an early mount, so the mount kind of weird up here. Get that handled. I'm gonna be replacing this with one of our mounts, so it didn't matter if we get it all smashed up. Bolts were rusted, we got those finally out. Pedal assembly parts were rusted up. We'll figure that out. So, not terrible, but not great. This is a problem. We'll figure out what we can do about that when we get there. Off to the strip club. Woo-hoo!
Just a hired gun, taking shots and moving targets for fun, getting your Did you hear a word I said? Did you listen?